بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Miss Fatma is speaking. Today, inshallah, we'll discuss, modal auxiliaries. Let's start. Here if I ask you, what are modal verbs or modal auxiliaries? Yes, modal verbs are verbs that are used to express the speaker's opinion about an action or state. هلا لمن إيش مقصود في المودال verbs هنا؟ Just as a definition كتعريف لإلها، المودال verbs هي عبارة عن أفعال تستخدم للتعبير عن رأي المتحدث أو المتكلم في موقف ما. تمام، أو حادثة ما. They show the form, mood, or way the speaker is thinking about that action or state. هنا بتعبر عن رأيه أو فكره معتقدات المتحدث not on the fact of the action or state itself، مش عن الحقيقة الموجودة فعليا حسب ما هو موجود في الحدث أو الحادثة ما. تمام. Here we have an example. John may be sick. In this example, the speaker is not saying that John is sick. هنا شايفين هنا لما المتكلم ما حكى ما قال إنه جون هو مريض، ولكن هنا the speaker is giving his opinion or her opinion that it is a possibility that John is sick، عن احتمالية إنه يكون جون مريض. تمام، هنا مهم جدا. هاي هنا the function of modal verbs or auxiliaries in sentence. هل وظيفتها هنا تعبر عن possibility، إمكانية، ربما إمكانية، تمام، possibility، احتمالية إنه يكون مريض. John may be sick. طيب, we have another example. John can speak Spanish. تمام. هنا in this example the speaker is not saying that Spanish is John's language. هنا المتحدث ما وضح وقال إنه اللغة الإسبانية هي لغة جون. تمام. لكن هنا كان قصد المتحدث the speaker's opinion، رأي المتحدث is that John has the ability to speak Spanish. هنا بس بتعبر إنه المتكلم أو المتحدث يعبر عن رأيه إنه هنا جون ممكن تكون لديه المقدرة has the ability، إنه جون عنده القدرة إنه يتحدث الإسبانية. So we use modal verbs and according to the function of these modal verbs حسب وظيفتها. John can speak Spanish. هنا في عنده قدرة، لديه القدرة إنه يتحدث. So here just the speaker expresses about his or her opinion، عن رأيه. Yes. John must be in class on time. Also here, in this example, the speaker is not saying that John is in class on time. هنا ما كان المتحدث لم يقل إنه جون موجود موجود في الفصل في الوقت المحدد له. هنا the speaker's attitude، the speaker's opinion، رأي المتحدث is that John has the obligation to be in class on time. إذن في عنده إلزام إنه يكون موجود في الفصل في الوقت المحدد لديه. فهنا الفانكشن of must here obligation just يعني to obligate to express about obligation، تعبر عن إلزامية، إنه ملزم بعمل حدث ما. تمام. So when using modals, the speaker is giving information about another verb. يعني لما نستخدم المودالز verbs، المودال verbs، هنا المتحدث بيعطي معلومات about another verb which is the main verb in the sentence. Okay, so there are at least two verbs in the verbal phrase. في عنا بكون we have two verbs. We have auxiliary or helping verb which is the modal, and we have the main verb. As you see here in these examples زي ما انتم شايفين هنا في الأمثلة التالية. Okay, modal verbs are in red colors. Okay, باللون الأحمر in red colors. باللون الأحمر may, can, must. تمام. لكن the main verb here okay in pink. P, speak, P. Yes. So here we have two two verbs in the verbal phrase. John may be sick. John may be sick. Okay. John can speak Spanish. Okay. John must be in class on time. So don't forget that. Okay, we have two verbs, at least we have okay two verbs in the verbal phrase. في عنا هنا فعلين. The main verb okay in pink colors, and we have okay the auxiliary or helping verbs here in red color. May, can, must. Since modals are giving information about another verb, بما إنه المودال okay verbs بتعطينا معلومات عن the main verb, another verb okay in the sentence which is the main verb, they are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. نعتبرهم auxiliary verbs أفعال مساعدة. They need to accompany or refer to the verb that is the action or state being looked at. فهنا محتاج دائما تكون مصاحبة المودال verbs مع الأفعال اللي بتكون بتعبر عن الحدث أو الحالة. تمام. which means the main verb مع الفعل الأصلي in the combination. Okay. So here okay as you see will, study, can, study. Will, can, may, must, should. These are auxiliary or helping verbs أفعال مساعدة. هنا in this sentence مثلا for example study English. I will study English. Study, this is the main verb الفعل الأصلي. Okay, so modals are a special type of auxiliary verbs. هو نوع خاص من الأفعال المساعدة because they don't change form with respect to the subject. طبعا هنا ما بتغيرش. ليش هنا تعتبر نوع خاص من الهيلبينج verbs؟ لأنها هذه الأفعال المساعدة المودال verbs لا ما بنغير فيها شيء بناء with okay according to the subject verb agreement with all pronouns the same. مع كل الضمائر نفس الشيء. For example يقول لك I will study English. You will study. He, Hassan, okay, Hassan, she, Joanne will study. We will study. They will study English. نفس الشيء. تمام. هنا لكن هنا according to the function حسب هنا في لاحقا حنوضح هنا okay expression for each one لكل واحدة from these models. Okay, here it's very necessary to notice that the verb that comes after the model, الفعل اللي بيجي بعد المودal verb will come in the past form. In the past form, infinitive without to. هنا past form أصل الفعل مجرد without to, without ing, without as, without anything من غير أي شيء. Just the verb as it is found in the dictionary. كالأصل كيف موجود هنا في القاموس الأم كما هو. فهنا هي as you see here okay in these examples you can study English. شايفين هنا will, can, may, must, should. These are modal verbs or auxiliary verbs. Yes, يعني these are helping verbs. And we have after them the main verb study. هنا okay the main verb study okay just we use okay the past form أصل الفعل infinitive without to من غير to, without as, without ing. We don't add anything to the verb. ما بنضيفش أي شيء. مهم جدا. طيب when making questions with modal auxiliaries they are placed in front of the subject. طبعا هنا لما بدنا نعمل السؤال صياغة السؤال طبعا بتيجي هنا المودلز اوكي بتسبق مين؟ اوكي the subject. For example هنا بنقول هنا can I get some coffee? Okay, here we have WH question. Where can I get some coffee? شايفين هنا المودلز اوكي in red colors باللون الأحمر and the subject in blue okay color باللون الأزرق. فهنا دايركت نفهم إنه لما هنا بدك تعملي to make questions okay with modal auxiliaries okay these auxiliaries are placed in front of the subject نستبدلهم مكان الفاعل. تمام. Where can I get some coffee? What may we bring to the party? It's okay incorrect to say what we may bring. Okay, it's incorrect. Okay, should you be wearing such high heels to work? It's incorrect to say you should be. Okay, just here we have question mark. Okay, could the waitress Nadila هنا bring me the check please? So and we have question mark. It's very necessary to pay attention for that. مهم جدا تنتبهوا للنقطة هذه إنه بنستبدل المودال auxiliaries okay with the subject في صياغة السؤال. Okay, in the negative okay here okay the adverb not لما إحنا بدنا ننفي we use the adverb not is added after the modal auxiliary or contracted with it. ممكن إيش what we mean by contracted with it هنا بنعملها shortening نختصرها. تمام. هنا for example she should not stay out so late. Just we add not, we add the adverb not if we want to make negatives. تمام. or she shouldn't. This is the contraction. هاي هنا الاختصار shouldn't or هنا should not أو ممكن إحنا نستخدم الكونتراكشن الاختصار shouldn't. They cannot okay be here until after work or they can't. هنا بالنسبة to make negative okay with the form can مع can هنا can not or we can make space ممكن نعمل مسافة بينهم can space not مسافة أو can't like that okay sorry or cannot or can't. Yes, you mustn't okay or you must not or mustn't disturb the patients. مهم جدا تنتبهوا how to make negatives كيف نعمل النفي. When making a negative question تمام لما إحنا بدنا نعمل سؤال لكن السؤال بصياغة النفي the position of the adverb not is after the subject unless it is contracted. تمام. إذا ما كانت هنا فدائما لما بدك تعملي السؤال بصياغة النفي بيكون الادverb not after the subject. Don't forget that this is formal. اوكي هذا بشكل رسمي. في النموذج او الشكل structure الرسمي نستخدم الاصح نستخدمها not مش زي ما بحكي لك اذا كانت هنا contracted اقول لك مثلا can't you stay لا الاصح نستخدم هنا can you not stay a bit longer here. So we use the adverb not after the subject okay when making a negative question. Should he not be here by now? It's okay incorrect to say مثلا هنا okay should not he be okay here by now. This is informal. لكن الأصح we okay we are searching for the best answer. Okay, we are okay searching for the correct okay form. هنا نبحث على الأصح في اللغة نستخدم should he not be here by now. When contracted لما هنا بدنا نقلص أو بدنا نختصر فيهم it is a part of the modal auxiliary so it is found in front of the subject as well. هنا بنستخدم إذا بدك تعمل لها contraction تختصريها زي can't you stay a bit longer, shouldn't he be here okay by now. But the non-contracted form of the negative is considered more formal. إذن هنا يا جماعة هذه this is informal form. هذا الشكل غير رسمي. فلو أجتك في الامتحان بقول لك can't you stay a bit longer. ما دام informal حتكون incorrect. لكن the best or the correct one is can you not stay a bit longer. Should he not be here by now. الأصح. انتبه دائما للأصح في اللغة. When are modal verbs used? متى احنا بنستخدم المودال verbs? Yes. Modals are used to express many different attitudes, opinions, which include ممكن تعبر لنا المودلز عن اتجاهات، آراء، اعتقادات، مثل which include the function of ability المقدرة، obligation الزامية، permission asking or giving permission إعطاء أو أخذ تصريح، disapproval عدم الموافقة، advising النصيحة، logical deduction possibility احتمالية، necessity lack of necessity the importance of necessity هنا just تبحث عن الضرورة إذا كانت لها مهم جدا أو أقل ضرورة absence of necessity lack of necessity. Yes. طيب هنا as a result modals are used in many different social interactions in many city phrases. فطبعا هنا المودلز ممكن نستخدمها في مواقف مختلفة. for example هنا asking permission, just to ask permission we can use may I come in. may I come in. ممكن نستخدم هنا asking for permission. ممكن أقول لك هنا may I come in. ممكن أستخدم could I come in please. can I please come in. تمام. إذا هنا asking permission هنشرح ونعطي تفصيل أكثر لاحقا في ذلك. هنا making a request. طبعا just هنا to make a request هنا بدك هنا للطلب بستخدم could you help me. could you help me. yes. ممكن هنا yes هنا making an offer بدك تعمل عرض. ممكن أستخدم هنا would you like some tea. giving advice. طبعا احنا مش هنستخدم هذا this is form يا جماعة انتبهوا لها هنا not يعني بقول ممكن أنا should you not be studying. should you not be studying not shouldn't you. should you not be studying أو مثلا you should or ought to go to a doctor. yes. showing surprise. you must be joking. أكيد أنت بتمزح هنا فالمساخ just هنا نعبر عن المفاجأة. showing disbelief عدم that can't be right. لما تعبر مش معقول ذلك يحصل أو كذا بقول that can't be right مستحيل يكون صحيح فحستخدم can't. طيب here we complicate the use and comprehension of modal verbs is that. هلا ممكن هنا ايش بقول لك طبعا احنا هنلاقي بعض التعقيد في استخدام وفهم المودال verbs. هنا the same modal for example هنا the same modal may be used to describe different attitudes different opinions. ممكن نستخدم المودال الواحد بيعطي لأكثر من معنى في according to the meaning in context according to the situation حسب الموقف إيش بيعطي المعنى إيحاءه أو الإيماء له. هنا Tina has a high fever. تمام. هي بتعاني من حرارتها درجة حرارتها عالية جدا من حمى مثلا. هنا أقول لك مثلا she must have the flu. this is expresses this expresses deduction. لكن بقول she must go to the doctor. here في هنا فيها obligation advice with obligation يعني نصيحة إنها لازم تروح الدكتور بما إنها تعاني من درجة حرارة عالية. she must go to the doctor شيء إلزامي إنها تروح وتهتم بصحتها. تمام. لكن هنا also we have a given attitude may be described by different models. ممكن أكثر or a given attitude or opinion okay may be described by different models. ممكن للرأي أو الاعتقاد الواحد ممكن نستخدم أكثر من model, more than one okay modal verb. For example هنا okay if you want to ask عندنا for permission we can use may, could or can. I please borrow your pen. هنا شايفين عندنا these forms just عندنا okay to ask for permission نسأل نعطي هنا طلب تصريح. ممكن أستخدم may I, could I, can I. Yes. There are phrases that will have a meaning corresponding to a modal verb and that can be used instead of the modal. طبعا هنا في بعض الحالات ممكن المودال verbs نستبدلها بحاجة اسمها هنا نستخدمها زي like expression. تمام. These phrases are known as phrasal modals. Yes, نستخدمها نسميها modal phrases. For example, Sue can play tennis. يعني instead of can ممكن بمعنى the same meaning. Phrasal modal is able to. Sue is able to. إذا can equal and P verb to be plus able to. Am is are plus able to. فهنا ممكن نقول Sue can play tennis. Sue is able to play tennis. مثلا نقول مثلا حسن and Joanne can okay carry the heavy boxes. Okay. Here okay they are able to carry heavy boxes. Yes. Here okay instead of may the phrasal models are allowed to. You may use okay pen or pencil on the test. This means that you are allowed to use pen or pencil on the test. Okay. Are okay the verb to be okay plus allowed to. This is the phrasal models. Okay. Okay, Iana should study okay more for the test. Here okay should study equal is supposed to study. Okay. Yes, I must go now. Here okay must go okay has the same meaning of have to go. I have to go now. Have to okay or must. Okay, we use have to with the pronoun okay I, okay they, we, you have, but with the pronouns okay she, he, it, has to. Yes, مهم جدا تنتبهوا لإلها. Okay, phrasal modals or modal phrases, sometimes called modal-like expressions. Okay, هنا بنسميهم modal-like expressions or phrasal modals. Okay, are used because you can only use one modal auxiliary in a given verb phrases. طبعا ما بزبط احنا نستخدم two modal verbs okay in the same sentence في نفس الجملة. بناء على ذلك ممكن نستخدم the phrasal modals or modal-like expressions. ممكن نستخدمها. Here we have for example you may use okay might to express possibility in. She might come. هنا نعبر عن احتمالية. She possibility to express possibility. She might come. Okay, also you may use can to express ability and she can come. But to express both ideas in the same sentence, okay, to express ability and possibility in the same sentence, you need to use a modal-like expression. Yes, okay. Here, for example, okay, instead of can, we can use be able to. Here, just trying to combine between these two sentences. نجمع بين هدول الجملتين أو okay between these two ideas. She might be able to come. So we use a modal-like expression أو اللي بنسميه هنا phrasal modals. In addition, some modals don't have a past modal form. طبعا في عنا some models ما إلها past form، ما إلها ما في منها ماضي. Although you may change can in. For example, I can speak. لكن هنا كان ممكن من أنواع المودلز ممكن just to give the past منها. لكن some models we can't give the past form، ما إلها صياغة الماضي. لكن هنا الكان بالرغم ذلك إنه كان ممكن إحنا ناخد الباست منها. Here we have for example I can speak Russian now. To the past sentence I could speak Russian as a child. Can in the present or future, could in the past. So here because can has the past form could. This is not true of must or should. لكن هنا must و should ما إلها ماضي، ما إلها we don't have past form of must or should. ما في صيغة ماضي من المودal verbs which are must and should. There is no modal past form for either of these words. ما إلهم صياغة ماضي. لكن can the past and of it is could. But must or should we don't have past form. ما إلهم صياغة ماضي. انتبهوا لهذه النقطة. So we use modal phrasal modals or we use which means that a modal like expression. Yes. Here we have I must study for the test. This sentence I must study for the test refers to a present or future obligation. Yes. We could also say I have to study for the test. Must or have to. تمام. Here to make it clear that the obligation to study was something in the past. إذا إحنا بدنا نبين هنا الإلزامي إنه يدرس إنه هو ملزم إنه يدرس كان حدث إنه هنا هو شيء كان في الماضي. We can't use the modal form. طبعا هو ما نقدرش نستخدم الماست because there is no past equivalent for must. ما في منها ماضي. تمام. الماست عنا doesn't have past form. So to express an obligation in the past we choose to use the modal like expression have to. فبنستخدم المodal like expression have to instead of must in its past form. Had to. I had to study for the test yesterday. هنا عشان هنا the form the past form الماضي ما بنستخدمش I must study. Must doesn't have past form, so we use had to, the modal like expression. Yes. Understanding and knowing how to use modals and phrasal modals well is essential if a student wants to communicate well in English. مهم جدا هنا فهم ومعرفة كيفية استخدام المودلز and الphrasal modals. مهم جدا إذا كنتوا حابين تتواصلوا باللغة بشكل جيد، تتواصلوا باللغة الإنجليزية بشكل جيد. Thank you very much. With my best wishes and regards for you.